Good day, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Offense, and let me welcome you all to the Trend Lines Trader YouTube channel. This is what we do on a daily basis. Ladies and gentlemen, here we go again. We're gonna do our daily analysis today, and we're gonna start with Nasdaq. Today is the 9th of May as we are witnessing our Nasdaq 100 pushing towards the downside. It is so bearish, as you can see that we are having this type of structure or the channel that is pushing towards the downside. And if we look on our previous analysis, this was Friday analysis, ladies and gentlemen, we can tell that the price was pushing towards the downside, as you can see, with the pulsive move and that corrective move there and the pulsive move again. We are still awaiting to witness the price giving or presenting another corrective move towards the upside. As we are at the moment, we are witnessing the price or noticing that the price is pushing towards the downside today. This is our daily time frame. We can see that we've been having this channel, the bearish channel, intertrend in a bigger trend, isn't it? So this is our intertrend. We can tell that the price is been making this type of moves. It's been giving us your higher, your lower high, your lower low, and we are about to have another lower low before the price respect this level. Ladies and gentlemen, let's go to the lower time frame and witness this type of structure on a lower time frame so that we can have a good or clear idea where the price could go during the opening session, during the New York opening session. This is the channel that I've been trying to, or the one that I've been talking about. As you can see, the price is still making this bearish move towards our overall support zone. Ladies and gentlemen, this is something that we deal with on a daily basis. I want you to witness this. Okay, on a daily time frame, we had this level as a lower low, right? And this is our lower high on a daily time frame. So now we are looking or focusing on, as we want to focus on 4-hourly time frame. I want you guys to witness something on the lower time frame, especially on this inter-channel or intertrend. We can see that our price has been giving us this type of levels where I marked with the green rectangle or green bold lines to make it for us to be able to see that it's an area. It's not just a line, but it's not just a small line. We don't just place a small line, it's an area. As you can see, the price came to this level, right, and hit the area's bottom and pushed towards the upside, and at this side the price hit the area, retested and hit the area's top and pushed towards the downside. So this is our previous support. As you can see, it was retested and respected. It's a previous support, and now it is our current resistance. The price retested after breakout, retested and didn't break towards the highest, towards the upside or the highest of the previous resistance, and now the price pushed towards the downside. I want you to be able or to remember that we could have something like this. Let me show you something here so that you guys can be able to understand. Let me zoom in. Is it zoom in or zoom out? Okay, what I want you guys to witness as we are having an inter trend, this is something that we should look out for. This is my ball pen. You can see that the price is giving us this descending rectangle or the small channel in a small time frame. It's a trend in a small time frame. If we go to the lower time frames, we will be having this area as a trend, but now as we are on the 4-hourly time frame, we can see it's not a flag, it's descending, what you call, rectangle. If you go to your chart patterns, when you search for your chart patterns on Google, just look out for what you call, come on, I said it's a descending rectangle. Okay, it's not a wedge, like it's more like a rectangle, I can see. Or search for descending wedge or descending rectangle, if I'm not correct with this, the name of it there. So we are still waiting to witness the price reaching this level. I believe today the price will reach this level, respect it, and push towards the upside. But one thing for sure that I can tell you is that during the week, during this week, since well it's Monday, we could have this type of corrective move towards the upside. So as you can see, ladies and gentlemen, the price was pushing passively, okay, was pushing with the waveform towards the downside and pushed towards the upside, as we witnessed it during the last week, and the price respected the level, and now we are having this bearish move towards the downside. That's what we could expect, ladies and gentlemen. This is Nasdaq 100. Let's go to another instrument or another symbol. I'm gonna go to the US30. Let's go to our US30. Come on now. There we go. Let's go to daily time frame. You can see that our US30 seems like it's giving us or presenting us with the same chart pattern or the same momentum movement. As you can see, is the same as Nasdaq 100. Ladies and gentlemen, this is our overall bearish trend. We can notice that our price is pushing towards the downside with these levels of, or this formation. This is our high, this is our lower high, your lower low, your lower low, and this is our lower high. I hope this is visible. Let me clean it. This is our lower high, our previous lower low. The price broke. We use these. I want you guys to have a very good clear idea what is happening, as this is bearish. The thing is, sometimes we always think we understand, but we tend to lose it at some point. You can see this previous level, the price broke it. This was our lower low. I'm gonna try to be as clean as possible so that you can witness. And this is our previous lower low. So you can see that the price is, no man, this is lower low. Why did I write lower high? Lower low. You can see that the price has been respecting the setups. The price has been breaking the previous lower lows. Okay, I already have the arrow there. You can see there's a lower low here. So it tells you that our price is clearly respecting the levels, and this is our lower high. The price didn't reach this high yet. As you can see here, the price just made a U-turn before it reaches this previous lower high, and now this is our lower high, our current lower high. Now the price, you can see on the US30 daily time frame, the price is at this level. The previous lower low, it is not yet been broken. We are still awaiting to witness if the price will break and retest and push towards the downside. Or what could happen is the price can respect the area and push towards the upside if it respects this area. But if it doesn't respect it, if it breaks it, we're gonna have this type of move towards the downside, and we will witness our price coming towards this overall support zone and end up, let me clear the board, and it could end up giving us, as it will, okay, and I was saying, as the price, if the price breaks this level, we could see ourselves finding, or the price presenting, the new lower low, as this is our current lower low. So if the price breaks, we could have the next lower low. But if the price doesn't break and respects the level, we could end up having your double bottom type of structure. And if it respects the level, push towards the upside, it clearly says the price is going to push towards the previous resistance, diagonal resistance, or towards our top trend line over there. So this is your US30. Let's go to the lower time frame and see with the 4-hourly time frame pattern or structure moves. You can see this is our previous resistance. It's still our current resistance. Actually, the price still has to come and reach and break it before we can say we are bullish. At the moment, the price is still bearish, as you can see. Let me use the trend line. Let me use the trend line so that we can always remember that the price is reaching, or it still has to reach this level before we could say it is bullish. So this is our, I hope you can see this line over here. This is our overall trend line, our overall support zone that we witness on daily time frame. So if the price continue with this type of structure, we could see the price reaching this level. I hope this makes sense. And look at something on this lower time frame. We are having this type of structure. We are having this intertrend. Can you see what I see? We could see the price, or we could have the price could respect already on the lower time frame. This area has been broken, as you can see. It could be a fake break. The price could return towards the upside and push towards the inter trend line I just drew now, and you could see the price breaking, and we could have this type of move before we reach our overall support zone. I hope this makes sense, because when it moves like the price won't just move and hit the support or overall support zone. We could see our price respecting this level and give us this waveform types of momentum and gain momentum before it gains momentum towards the downside, and like that. I hope this makes sense to you guys. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, this is our US30. I would like to go and check out on gold. Another thing that we have to remember is that our DXY dollar is very bullish, man. I don't know if you have noticed, guys, that the dollar is very bullish. Oh, let's go check the DXY. Look at this dollar. Let's go to daily. Dollar has been very bullish. Let's go to weekly. And I want you to know that the dollar just last week, it was at the highest peak, the most highest peak of, as you can see, it managed to break this previous highest peak, and now, and we can place this right here, the red one, because when it crosses the red line, it shows that it's still bullish. Or this is our red resistance. Let's go to daily and see something. Ladies and gentlemen, on last week we were witnessing this price pushing towards the pushing towards the upside. It was very bullish, as you can see with our support zone. It was very bullish, and it has been since from March, actually the beginning of the month. Dollar has been very bullish. We could see that it has been pushing. Let's throw this trend line. But one thing that we shouldn't forget is that if dollar is so bullish like this, it could make or respect this level. This was a fake out on the daily time frame. You can see that if the candlestick is not closed yet, we are left with 11 hours before it closes. But you can see we already having the rejection type of candlestick. If the price pushed towards the downside, it could come and reach these levels, your 102 level. I hope you can see it could come and reach the 102 as previously. Oh, my line is not straight. As previously it was around 100. You can see. I hope you can see that. So let's see. The price has been very bullish, but I can see that it seems like it's losing momentum. As you can see, it was pushing and it was very bullish, and end up having this type of pullback and push towards the upside. But if it doesn't close below the level, the candlestick doesn't close below this level, we could see that we could see our price, or notice our price, or witness our price pushing towards the upside, and forget about this support. Maybe I wanted to clean the board there. So maybe we could continue with this type of structure if we have to put it like this. So I would like to put it like this for now, but anyway, let me use it like this. Remember, this is daily, ne? This is daily time frame. So I would love to see it going like this. I would like to see this support going like this. Let me place it like this. This is in areas I'm using double lines. One thing that I will be looking out for is to witness the price breaking this level, reaching the horizontal support and retest, reach our support, major support. This is the inter support and this is our major support. So for now I will just have to do this. Let me clone it. There we go. Clone it and place it right there. This is what we could have, or this is what we have at the moment. I hope this makes sense to you guys. You can see that we are having a bullish trend. As you can see, the price is being bullish. We could see price respecting the level. As you can see, we already having some of the rejection. Seems like it's losing momentum, and the price come and reach this support zone, major support zone, before we push towards the resistance, the top resistance over there. I hope it makes sense to you guys. Things like this do happen. And ladies and gentlemen, please don't forget to subscribe if you haven't subscribed to our channel, and like the video if you find the video informative for you. Please do so that you could have more information. Or don't forget to click on the notification bell so that you can be notified for the future uploads. Ladies and gentlemen, let's go to the gold. I wanted to check gold. This is dollar index. Let's check on gold. Come on, it'll take you so long. Open up gold. It seems like my PC is running slow today. Look at our previous analysis. We were having this bearish or flag like trend or channel, but one thing that I can tell you, the price is being presented us with this high. Let me use the line, the arrow. We can see that, or we can notice that we are having the high there, and now the price gave us the lower high. This is bearish, ne? Lower, come on, arrow. This is bearish, and we are still awaiting to witness new lower high. And now when you focus on your lower lows, this is what we are having. Okay, the price is giving us this. This is our lower low, and the price could respect the level and present the lower low. I hope this makes sense. This is our lower high, our lower high, as you can see, and this is our lower low, our lower low. But one thing I can tell you is that you can see we had the rejections on this candle, on this impulsive move towards the downside. We've been having this rejection candlestick, and you can see the big engulfing candle. We are on daily. For this candlestick to close, we are left with 9 hours 53 minutes, and if it closes somewhere below, it's already bearish and engulfing. I hope it makes sense. What I'm saying to you, I hope it makes sense. Look at this. This is engulfing candlestick. As you can see, this candlestick, bearish candlestick, engulfs this doji or indecision candlestick. We still have to wait and witness it pushing towards this diagonal support before we could say now we are pushing towards our diagonal resistance. But one thing I can tell you is that the price could still break and push towards the downside before we could say this is our lower low. This level is not yet proven or confirmed to be our lower low yet. If the price respects this level and push towards the upside to the resistance, we could say this is our lower low. I hope it makes sense. I hope it makes sense to you. I hope it does, ne? This is gold, ladies and gentlemen. We could see a very bearish trend towards the downside, a very bearish candlestick towards the downside. Let's go to the lower time frame, 4 hourly time frame. On 4 hourly time frame, we are having this bearish trend or channel that I want you guys to witness right here, so that you can understand what I was talking about when I was saying we could still witness our price pushing towards the downside. No, man, I want to clone it. Okay, next time I'll use control and drag. Do you see what we have on the 4 hourly time frame? This is what I was saying. I was saying we could see the price respecting this level on the daily time frame, but now we are on the 4 hourly time frame. If the price respects this area, this price, the area right here, it will be our lower time frame, our lower low. Not lower time frame, our lower low, excuse me. We could see the price breaking this level and reach our lowest low, or give us new lower low. And after breaking this level, after the price breaks this level, we would be confirming, or that's when we will confirm that this is our lower low, but this is our hourly time frame. And yes, it will be a lower low on daily time frame also. We can see we had this lower low right here. The price broke the previous lower low level and pushed towards the downside. Clearly it's a new lower low, pushed towards the upside and cancel this. This is not lower high, this is our lower high. The price collected liquidity here. It was just the liquidity to be collected. It was still gaining more liquidity before it pushed passively towards the downside. As you can see, it pushed correctively, now passively. We still have to witness our price pushing towards the lower side to give us the lower low, or the new lower low, before we could say we are pushing towards the upside. Ladies and gentlemen, please don't forget that we have Instagram handle. Please do follow us on Instagram. We have Facebook page also. Please do follow or like our Facebook page so that we could grow together. If you would like to communicate with us, ladies and gentlemen, the links are on the description. Don't forget to go and like our Facebook and follow us on Instagram. And please, those who haven't subscribed, you can still subscribe on our YouTube channel. Like the video, click the thumbs up so that we could grow the channel together and reach other people. Please don't forget the notification bell for the future uploads, for you to be notified for the future uploads. Ladies and gentlemen, I really like to say thank you very much for watching this channel. If it wasn't for you with your subscriptions and likes, I salute you. Thank you.